Right, okay, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all enjoying your day so far, and this is just a quick video update on Algorand. So Algorand, we've said previously on this channel, this is the area, this is a major structure shelf that we needed to hold, this level here. So that's the level we needed to hold, and unfortunately we broke to the downside. So we broke to the downside. What areas are we looking to hold as support next? One of the reasons why I've done this video is because we're pretty much at do or die as far as Algorand's concerned now. We've got one major level of support to hold, which is this level here. I'll just build this in. See, respected. Let me just zoom in a bit on this. These levels here were respected going back to 2019. So 1, 2, we've got a bounce here, 3, and we're at this area again now. Do or die. It's decision time for Algorand. Is it going to get a bounce? Is it going to test the previous swing low, or are we going to continue and move to the downside? If we continue and move to the downside, what areas are we likely to hold? So let's build in our last two levels. You've got this one here, which is doesn't look much when it's so far down. This is the daily chart here. It doesn't look much. So that's the 14-cent level. And the major level here is 14.34. The reason why that's the major level is that was the COVID dump. That was the March 2020 crash. And that was the start of the next run. That was the bottom of the bear market and the start of the next run. So if we reverse past that, then we've done a full reversal, and most tokens that do that don't survive. So bear that in mind. It's not financial advice. I'm not saying Algorand's dead. I'm just saying we're at some key decision point areas now. If you've done plenty of research on this project and you do believe in the project, small amount of your capital, dollar cost average at these areas does make sense. So all-time highs are 2021 highs for Algorand. $2.82. Pretty big in comparison to its 17 cents. This area here, why is this important? What we can do is we can add in a fixed range volume indicator to find out the biggest area of traded volume on Algorand since the inception, or certainly the inception of this chart. So pop that in from a high to the low of where we are now, and you can see this coincides with our structure shelf. We need to regain this area here. It's very important that we regain this area here. So as far as the bullish scenario is concerned, what we can do, just bring in a couple of indicators. You've got the RSI and the stochastic here. What I'll do is I'll just bring up the RSI and we'll find out exactly what happened when we were at these levels previously. So these are the two that we're concerned about, this one and this one. And you can see the RSI was hugely oversold, and you had this run to the upside on the RSI, which coincided with this run to the upside here. That move to the upside was a move of 215%. So the next one, again, oversold, huge run on the RSI, and you've got this run here. That was a move of top to bottom, 671%. And then you had the bull run. It's not likely we're going to get a bull run in 2023, certainly not going to get one in 2022. So what happened when we were in this area here just before the bull run? Didn't quite hit the oversold, but we made a new higher low here, and then you had this huge move to the upside. That was even bigger. We're not at that position yet. These are the two that we're interested in, these two here. So We're in this hugely oversold territory again. We've been in there for some time. And what we want to see is we want to see this level here regained first and foremost. If we can regain this level and create a new higher low, we could be on our way. Even a 5-wave move to the upside, you're looking at like 50 cents in the 50-cent region, breaking this new low, this previous high, and then you can see a confirmed bull rally. It's not going to be a bull run. It's not going to be a bull market. It's just going to be a short-term reversal if we do get that. So that's what I'm looking out for in Algorand. I'm not saying that's going to happen, but these are the key areas that we need to hold now. We're at one now, just under the 17-cent level. If we break that, you've got 16 cents. If you break that, you've got the do or die 10-cent level, which was coincided with the COVID crash. So just a quick update on Algorand. Leave a like if you're already a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber, you do find the content useful, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and thank you all. Take care now.